Hi, all. Welcome to the Recordent Insights, the podcast where we bring you conversations that helps businesses make smarter decisions. Today, we are exploring about a topic which is often overlooked until it's too late. That is business insurance. To break this down, we have a guest here today, V V N Patrudu, MD and Principal Officer of White Shield Brokers LLP. Is insurance really necessary for every business?
The first challenge is the idea of starting a business. The second challenge is understanding the business model in a deeper way. The third challenge is hiring good staff or good people into your business. The fourth challenge is daily operations to bring quality output or quality product or quality service. And the other challenge is maintaining recurrent cash flow. So do you think these 6 challenges are only enough? No. The other challenge is risk management and risk mitigation. So in this risk management, risk mitigation, insurance plays a very vital role. So insurance is must for every business.
Despite of having insurance, why do most business owners feel dissatisfied when it comes to claims?
In India, insurance is bought out of obligation rather than bought out of understanding. See, the clients who want to buy insurance, they've been obligated by the banker or financier or any of his friend, close friend, ex-colleague, childhood teacher. This is not the way of buying insurance. You should have a clear understanding about your requirement. That is not happening. Proper exercise is not happening. We have to correct our system first. You have to spend some enough time on what is a requirement of insurance. And we have to understand how insurance works at the time of training. So basing on these points or this structure, we have to go for buying an insurance policy.
Clearly, there's a gap between having an insurance and claiming it. So, how can business owners get quality and effectiveness to their existing portfolio?
See, every businessman has to spend adequate time, a decent time on the insurance contracts. At least they have to spend half a day in a year. So you have to spend quality time. You have to hire a consultant, decent consultant. You have to check his history, his experience in insurance industry, how many construction claims he is handling, how big they are, what is his history in handling claims. Example, Vizag Budut case, some cyclone case. How many claims he handled. So this analysis you have to do, hire him, give him all your policies, give him some time, a weekdays or 10 days time. Then you can do all the necessary adjustments at the time of renewing the policy.
What are the necessary insurance policies that a business must have?
See, ideally 90% of the business houses should maintain 5 kind of policies. One is asset insurance or property insurance. See, what is property again? Your B, M, A plus stocks. B means building, M means machinery, A means other assets, plus stocks. You have to have a decent property insurance first because your asset has to be protected. So if something goes wrong, some fire accident, calamity, or any short circuit issue, your assets will be damaged and spoiled. To restore the assets, insurance will help you. So that is one kind of direct loss. And what about indirect loss? If there is a loss, there will be a consequential loss. See, there is a fire accident, entire property is burnt. Yes, you have an insurance policy, you want to restore. So we have to think very broader and taking an asset insurance. We should always tag this clause or insurance policy called as business interruption. So other one is when you're holding a big businesses, you're liable for your employees, the workmen, your salaried employees, your gig workforce, your vendor workforce. For that, you have to take a workman's compensation or employer legal liability insurance. Tomorrow, if any employee has been injured or some casualties happened at your premises, definitely you are answerable to the court of law, whether either is a labor court or a district court. They will file a case on you You have to protect yourself. You have to pay the penalty or compensation. This liability insurance is second. Third one, when you're using internet, by default you have to take a cybersecurity insurance. By default you have to take. When you're operating on internet, AI tools, everything is now, things have been changed entirely. In recent times, there's a pivotal change happening in the industries. So, cybersecurity policies must for every entrepreneur who are doing their business on internet. The fourth one is group mediclaim policies there. So, for the best satisfaction of employee, you have to take in group mediclaim policy. Accidental insurance, where lump sum benefit is given to the employee. When you're trading, transit insurance is mandatory. Nowadays, almost 90% of the manufacturers or suppliers doing their business on credit. Maybe your client may become insolvent. Maybe your client is facing some political risk due to this war and the geopolitical issues. Suppose your client may become default due to any reason. Your money is held with him. So you have to have a credit insurance. So almost 90% of the insurance companies are offering credit insurance policy, which is covering 85% of your invoice value. Suppose you have given a 1 crore of credit. So that client is not paying you. So you can file a claim in the insurance company and you can get 80% recovery. For that, there are certain documents are there, some evaluation process is there. So these are the prime insurance policies for any ideal businessman.